Alright traders, good day. So today is the 13th of February 2020. So we are now live day trading crude oil market WTI NYMEX March 2020 contract. So the date today is 13th of February, and time now is 9:07 a.m. in the morning New York time. So we are waiting for our buy position. So based from my live Telegram channel, did send out a signal to go for a long position at 51.40 and expected to TP at 51.52, and this is under epic type of signal. So there's a link below in description and feel free to click on it. Okay, let's go back to the volume. So at this moment the price remain on the bullish side of the VWAP area, and we have seen that there's a huge drop during the London session, and there's a sideways movement as well. And now this could be a rebound from the overall market condition from London session. So as for US session, could be there's another further down, but maybe later after 1 hour or 30 minutes. So let's wait and see. So at this moment we are waiting for a buy position to go in, and let's wait patiently for this trade to be realized. Alright traders, we already in the market, although just fill. So current position now, we are about 1 ticks. So the highest now is 4 ticks, 40 US dollar. So it was a spike just now, so enter and then did spike. So at this moment we're waiting for the TP target at 51.52. It is not far, and the stop loss is 51.20, somewhere down here on this area. So maybe have to queue just in case if the price fall back down. Okay, 51.20. Okay, we have queued the stop loss. So let's wait and see. Now is plus 3 ticks, 30 US dollar in profit. Hopefully it will touch and then reverse back to the downside. So that's what I'm expecting at this moment, because I'm shorting as well for another account on the mini crude oil. Let's wait patiently. This is gonna take some time. So by the way, this is time frame 5 minutes, or maybe you can put it into the 10 minutes whatsoever. Okay, still in the beginning. So let's wait, and I will pause this video. We'll resume later on once there's a stable on the market price. Okay, we're still waiting. This moment plus 2 ticks. So we already entered the market around 1 minute plus or 2 minutes. So let's hopefully this will be a quick trade, entry fast in fast out. Okay, now plus 2 ticks, 20 US dollar in profit. This is a scalping US session, day trading at the beginning of US session. So the setup will be appeared every day, but there's also will be a losses trade, but this one hopefully will be a winning trade. So yesterday it was a good winning trade, which is around 130 US dollar. So you can check the video from my playlist. So for today we are on the buy position, and let's hope and wait, pray wait, hope to get a better result on this trade. So and end very well, very fast. Still waiting. So let's take a look on the volume. There's a large volume waiting at 51.50, which is around 106.15. Also strong demand down here, 51.30 at 51.41. So profit now is plus 3 ticks. So let's wait how far the price can be pushed further high. Alright, now plus 4 ticks, 40 US dollar can be seen clearly here on the current position size with one position. So we increase to the 5 ticks. This large volume waiting at 51.48, 51.50. This might provide us a good strong indication that the market might go towards a direction. Our TP is at 51.52. It's not far from the peak price waiting list, which is around 111, 108, 109, 119. So 6 ticks, 60 US dollar. So this will be a day trading. Every day we do the same. Hopefully can cash in a lot of money with a higher larger time higher and larger position size. As for now, I'm using one lot position size as an example for us who follow my live trading signal. So by the way, there's a link below in the description. Feel free to click on it, and looks good at this moment. 5 ticks, 6 ticks, So let's wait, hopefully it will reach this yellow line, which is indicate where we will exit the current position. Alright traders, still waiting at this moment. Plus 7 ticks, 8 ticks is the highest now and not far from the TP area, so hopefully this will be a quick one, but it has been taking few minutes already, so we are still in the positive plus few ticks above our entry level, and let's this is gonna take a few more minutes to reach the destination, so it's not far, just another few more ticks. So based on current condition, there's a high possibility for the market to touch and then reverse back to the different side of the direction. Hopefully we manage to exit first, hopefully. So there's a large volume waiting at 51.49, 51.50, 111. So now plus 6 ticks. Okay, not far. Almost reach, almost reach. Okay, we hit. So a good profit of I think not much, 120 US dollar in profit. So the time, so let's take a look on the time. So feed at 10:10, exit at 10:25, so 15 minutes. Not really good, but it was a profit trade. It was a good one. So there's a link below in the description. Feel free to click on it and like, share, comment, anything, or contact me, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.